welcome back to another hair dyeing video. My hair has faded a little bit since the last video. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to add some yellow to turn it green for St. Patrick's Day. And once again, I'm not going to use gloves. I'm just going to get right into it. This is just going to be a quick video today. I've probably told you guys this before, but green is my favorite color. You wouldn't know it by all the times I've dyed my hair blue. Make sure it's all covered. I used the entire thing of dye, but I want to make sure it's all on the roots and everything. I think I got everything. Yeah, I think that's good. Alright, so I'm going to go take a nap with this in my hair. Let it sit for probably about an hour. And I'll wash it out and dry it and show you the results. Alrighty, here it is finished. I think it turned out pretty nice. Obviously not even, but I didn't start with an even base, so that's to be expected. But yeah, I really like how the color turned out. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.